Leo, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 31 to April 6, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Okay, Leo, let's see. Anong energy ninyo this week? For Leo. Uy, go the distance. Parang you are going to push yourself out of your comfort zone. You're trying new things. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong ibibit na record nyo before. So, let's say, halimbawa sa sports o kaya sa pag-exercise or pagtakbo, no? Kung dati, ang kaya nyo lang takbuhin ay 5 kilometers. So, ngayon, ibibit nyo yung record niyo kasi pwede na kayo sa 10 kilometers. O, diba? So, it's like you are pushing yourself to achieve more. Let's see. You have peace. This is about peace of mind. Kapayapaan ng isip. Yung iba naman sa inyo maaring hihingi ng tawad or merong taong mahihingi ng tawad sa inyo, makikipag-ayos. I feel like kayo na yung mag-i-initiative dito. May initiative. You have the yin. Yin is your feminine energy. I think you're going to be more nurturing, caring, maaring mas aalagaan mo yung sarili mo. You will also express yourself through your talents, through your skills, through your abilities. I think this is also being open to relationships, no? If ikaw ay naghahanap ng karelasyon. Your overall energy, the moon. You're very sensitive at this time. Malakas ang instinct mo, intuition mo. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga pag-aalala, no? May mga times na parang natatakot ka, nag-aalala ka para sa future mo, kung ano yung mga dapat mong ma-accomplish. Yung minsan, marami tayong expectations sa sarili natin na, dapat by this age or by this time, ganito na yung na-achieve ko. So, you might be putting a lot of pressure sa sarili mo. This is also a revelation. So, pwedeng merong marireveal, pwedeng good or pwedeng bad, no? Or favorable sa'yo, pwedeng hindi. But at least, masasabi na or malalaman mo na kung ano yung dapat mong malaman. And then, your challenge is the 5 of Swords. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring itong revelation na to is related to someone na may betrayal, no? Yung may pangloloko, ganon. So, at least malalaman mo na kung sino yung nagiging totoo sa'yo, kung sino yung merong hindi magandang intention sa'yo, diba? Meron kasi ritong very competitive sa'yo. It's either competitive sa'yo sa trabaho or competitive sa mga na-achieve mo. Okay? So, maaring pagsimulan din to ng parang misunderstanding sa circle mo, sa mga kapatid, kaibigan, ganyan. Your opportunity is the King of Coins. You will focus on making more money or stabilizing your finances. Stability na para magkaroon ka ng financial security. Pwede rin, may opportunity rin sa inyo for promotion sa trabaho or you will be recognized sa career, trabaho, or business. Your blessing is the 3 of Swords. Ang daming swords. Oh my God. So, Leo, meron ditong blessing in disguise, no? So, pag sinabi natin blessing in disguise, sa una parang hindi siya komportable, masakit, disappointing, pero eventually, marirealize mo na, buti na lang pala nangyari yon kasi mas gumanda or mas napabuti pa yung sitwasyon mo. So, I feel like meron tinatanggal na tao, sitwasyon sa buhay mo. Oo. Dahil they are no longer serving your highest good. Especially kung itong intention ng tao na to sa'yo ay hindi mabuti, talagang eventually tatanggalin yan sa'yo. Because you don't deserve that. Okay? You have the Sun in Aries in the first house. Maaring iba sa inyo, Leo, pay attention sa inyong emotions din, no? Kasi pwedeng mabilis kayong ma-trigger, mabilis kayong mairita, kaya lang pag ganon, baka mabilis kayong maka-attract ng kaaway. Okay? You have Moon in Virgo in the 6th house. Moon in Virgo is very organized, no? So, maaring meron kang ayusin, i-organize sa ima-manage mo yung oras mo, yung schedule mo, or pwedeng may pagre-rearrange ng mga gamit sa bahay. You also have Saturn in Leo in the 5th house. Meron kang plans or creative talents and skills na hindi mo nagagamit. So, maaring ngayon, ito na yung time para ma-discover mo siya, or pwedeng alam mo na to pero hindi mo lang pinupursue. Maaring magkakaroon ka ng chance na to finally tap into your creative talents and skills and gamitin yon para mas mapaunlad mo yung sarili mo, and at the same time, you can also help other people. So, sa money, career, finances, you have the 7 of Wands. Meron kang iniiwasan dito, or parang you are setting boundaries. If merong person sa buhay mo, like family, na parang always humihingi ng financial support or financial help sa'yo, I think you will set boundaries, no? Kumbaga parang you're going to protect your energy na hindi sa lahat ng oras available ka para sa kanila. And then, love life. You have the Knight of Cups. Ay, basta inyo in love. You are connecting with someone. Pwede itong medyo bata pa, no? And very expressive sa kanyang feelings. If this is a new person in your life, pwedeng yun nga, you will try to get into this relationship. Ay, alam nyo, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na madidiscover nyo na parang someone na very competitive sa inyo sa trabaho to. Okay? Sa trabaho yan, na parang hindi mo inasaan, pwedeng BFF mo siya, pero yung pala secretly nakikipag-compete sa'yo. Pwede ring boss mo na hindi niya gusto na maangatan mo siya kasi insecure siya sa'yo. Peace. Dalawa yung peace. Oh my God. So, maaring ito yung bibigyan mo ng focus ngayong week to be at peace, na walang stressful na situation. I think, kaya nga may mga tatanggalin na toxic or stressful sa buhay mo is para ma-achieve mo yung peace. Just because some people are fueled by drama doesn't mean you have to attend the performance. Make your life a drama-free zone. Yes. Iiwas ka na sa drama sa buhay, yung mga issue na yan sa trabaho or sa mga kamag-anak, sa kaibigan. You would want to have peace of mind. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.